All right, we're back in Hag's Film Lab with Quentin Smith, wide receiver for the Dillon Wildcats. You took a lot of pressure off yourself, already committing to the Gamecocks before your senior season even started.
Yes, sir. I figured me going ahead and getting it out the way so I can focus on our team goals and my schoolwork more now.
Gamecocks. Have you met Alshon Jeffrey?
Yes, sir. I had a chance to talk to him and some of the receivers around there. And nice guys. I mean, a good group to be around.
Now, you told me over the phone when you committed that they want you to be the next Alshon.
Yes, sir. That's great. Talked to Spurrier and Spurrier Jr., and they said that's the role that they want me to play. So
the go-to guy with over 80,000 fans watching you.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting. I mean, I'm looking forward to the challenge of doing it. I mean, it's going to be working hard, trying to get to that next level and try to be better.
Now, Dillon is not really a pass-happy offense, but boy, when you get the ball, you really perform at Dillon.
Yeah, we all talk. We know we're not a pass team, but we know when you got a good running back like we do, like Jabo Lee, you know when you get the opportunity to make a play, you got to make it big because you don't know how many chances you get to touch the ball in a game.
Let's look at some of these Dillon highlights because I'll tell you what, it's just amazing. For instance, you talk about you were talking about Jabo, and we always talk about stretching the field. We always talking about opening up the passing game, and at Dillon, I've never known a Dillon team not to have a good run game because if you don't have a good run game, you got to throw, right? I mean,
yes,
there's only two options.
Yes, sir.
You're going to run the ball or you're going to throw the ball. Well, you guys, fortunately for you, you can do both. But didn't you lose your quarterback?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, how are you going to make the adjustment?
Well, we're going to try to. We're working young quarterbacks in. I mean, Jabo, he's going to take pressure off our quarterback when he make runs like he does. It's going to open up the defense, and we'll be able to make it easier for him to really see the field and spread it around.
But Jabo's incredible.
Oh, yes, sir. He's one of the best around here that I know. It's a pleasure playing with him because I would hate to have to see him run against us.
Now, how about in the return game? Now, Jabo's so good in the return game, but I know you can return the ball.
Yeah, yes, sir. That's what we're going to try to do. We're going to have me and him in the back there this year, try to make big plays and take more pressure off our young quarterback. Now,
what plays? We've got some highlights of you too. What plays are your favorite plays to run in that Dillon offense?
For me, I mean, it's any play that gets me in space where I can run after the catch and try to make big plays. So that's.
Now, do you like just going for the home run ball? You like the fade? What's your favorite route?
My favorite is when we get in the red zone and we get the fade. I mean, it's one of the big plays. I mean, they ask you to go get the ball and score a touchdown for them. So that's what I try to do every time.
You know, I can't really find a fault with your game. I mean, you're not afraid to go into traffic. You can catch the ball when there's a lot of people around you. You can run away from people. You can run over people. I mean, what is it that you have to do in high school football to prepare you for college?
Right now, just working on getting bigger and stronger and trying to keep my speed up. But I mean, we're working on little stuff right now. I mean, because you're gonna always need little stuff to improve your game. So that's what I try to do.
What do you run the 40 in?
Last time I was close, it was like 4.5, 4.5,
4.5. Okay, all right. You trying to get that speed a little bit faster?
Yeah, just a little bit.
What else? What about your leaping ability? What's your vertical?
It was I had a 30-inch vertical leap. We still working on that. Try to get that more up there so we can do more jump balls.
Yeah, but see, the thing is, your vertical's not as important because of your height.
Yes, sir.
You're a pretty long receiver.
Yes, it's one of the big advantages of my game, my height and my length, so I try to use it.
Let's talk about playing for Coach Jackie Hayes. He's a legendary coach.
Yes, he's a great coach. Been around for many years, and he's like a father figure to us now. And I mean, we know the things that he does, and we know the things he does and what he expects us to do. So I mean, he don't really have to ask for too much because he knows what he's gonna get out of our players.
How's your health?
Oh, everybody's healthy and
You.
I'm good. Everything.
Knees good,
Yes,
shoulders
sir.
are good,
Ready to go. For
fingers ready to catch.
Yes, sir.
Did you know that Coach Jackie Hayes was a Shrine Bowl quarterback? Do you think you're going to make the Shrine Bowl this year?
Yeah, I'm hope to kind of keep that legacy going of dealing players going to Shrine Bowl. So I hopefully get a chance to play in Shrine Bowl.
You're not there yet, but there's one guy from Dillon that was a better receiver than you. You know who I'm talking about?
Derrick Hamilton.
Derek Hamilton. Are you as good as Derek? He was awfully good.
Yeah. I don't know.
You know Derek?
Yes, that's my first cousin.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to compare because, I mean, we kind of bring the same tools to the table.
You're a little bit bigger than him.
Yeah, but he has the speed thing over me, so I mean, we always get in a little competition thing of how his high school career went, and he's telling me what to expect from college.
How are the books? How are your grades?
Oh, the grades are there.
You're a qualifier.
Yes, sir.
I love it. Love to hear that.
Yes, sir.
So many people that bring talent in the area, and then they can't finish, and they got to go to a JUCO. Not you.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Let's talk about now one last thing. What have the South Carolina Gamecock coaches told you? I know you've still got to go and do your stuff in Class 2A and try to win another state championship, but as you finish your career, what have the Gamecock coaches told you as you prepare for college?
They're just trying to get me to improve on stuff. I mean, keep getting better every day.
Like what?
It just better route running, cause getting stronger and learning how to get off the balls and work your hands. Cause in the SEC you have DBs that are sometimes stronger than you. Most of the time they're faster than you, and they're gonna be up on you almost every play. So
I mean, it's the best of the best.
Yes, sir.
When you go in the SEC, that is the best of the best. Now, are these defensive backs on the 2A level, are they challenging you? Honestly, no.
Not really, no.
Right.
So I
So
mean,
you're going to have to really push yourself to get to that level.
yes, sir. We have a defensive back, Kevin Lynch, and he pushes me at practice.
So it's your own guys in practice that get you.
Yeah, we have one of the best defense around. So every day at practice, it's intense, and we go hard and we go at it every day.
All right, Gamecock.
Yes, sir.
Thanks so much for stopping in.
You are.